Have you ever met someone who speaks confidently about the future they want, the success, the freedom, the life they picture so clearly in their mind? They truly believe they can achieve it. They can describe it in detail. But when you look at their daily actions, nothing seems to move in that direction. Psychology suggests this isn't simply a lack of effort. There are hidden mental patterns and habits quietly keeping them exactly where they are. 1. They wait for the right moment. Many people think they must feel ready before they begin, but psychology shows that readiness often follows action, not the other way around. So they keep waiting for the perfect time. 2. They mistake information for action. They watch videos, read books, listen to podcasts, and collect endless advice. Psychology shows that learning about a task can create the illusion of doing the task, so they feel productive without ever applying what they learn in real life. 3. Overthinking leads to mental exhaustion. They analyze every step, every outcome, every possibility. But this constant thinking drains their energy. By the time it's time to act, they already feel tired, so they do nothing. 4. They rely on motivation instead of systems. They wait to feel inspired before starting anything important, but motivation is temporary and unpredictable. Without simple daily systems and habits, their progress depends on mood, and mood rarely shows up on time. 5. They are uncomfortable with being a beginner. Big dreams often require learning new skills from scratch, but being a beginner feels awkward and threatens their ego, so they prefer to stay in the dreaming stage where they can still feel capable without proving it. 6. Fear of failure hides behind motivation. They don't lack ambition. They fear what might happen if they try and fail. So instead of risking their self-image, they remain in the planning phase, because as long as they don't try, their dream stays perfect.